Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're talking about soy meats, what they are, how they're made, and why so many people are choosing them. Ever bite into a meatless taco and think, how is this so close? That's the appeal of soy meats. They're foods made from soy protein that are shaped and seasoned to act like meat, from crumbles and strips to patties and nuggets. People choose soy meats for a mix of reasons. Some like the taste and the easy weeknight prep. Others want a lower cost protein, support health goals, or cut back on animal products without giving up familiar meals. This guide breaks it down in plain language, the main types you'll see, how soy gets that chewy bite, the nutrition pros and cons, and simple shopping and cooking tips so your next soy-based meal tastes like something you'd happily make again. What soy meats are made from, and how they get that meaty bite. Soybeans are naturally high in protein. Most soy meats start with soy that's been processed into a higher protein ingredient, then shaped into forms that cook like ground meat, chicken strips, or patties. The meatiness comes from two things, texture and seasoning. Texture is about how protein is formed into fibers or curds, so it feels chewy instead of mushy. Seasoning matters because plain soy is mild. Once it's mixed with salt, spices, smoke flavor, garlic, onion, and sometimes a little sweetness, it starts to taste like the foods you already know. Not all soy meats are the same, though. Some are simple and only lightly processed. Others are more packaged and ready to heat. Neither is automatically good or bad, but they do cook differently, and the nutrition label can look very different. The main types you will see at the store: tofu, tempeh, TVP, and soy-based patties. Tofu is soy milk that's been curdled and pressed into blocks. Best use: stir-fries, bowls, scrambles, and crispy baked cubes for salads. Tempeh is whole soybeans, often mixed with grains, that are fermented and pressed into a firm cake. Best use: tacos, sandwiches, grain bowls, and crumbled into chili. TVP, or textured vegetable protein, is dried soy that's been turned into small pieces, crumbles, or chunks. Best use: tacos, spaghetti sauce, sloppy joes, and quick chili because it soaks up flavor fast. Soy-based patties, nuggets, and grounds are packaged products made to mimic meat closely. Best use: burgers, sandwiches, wraps, kid-friendly meals, and fast dinners when you don't want extra prep. As a general rule, tofu and tempeh are often less processed, while TVP and frozen nuggets are more processed. That mainly affects ingredients, sodium, and how ready to eat they are. How soy protein turns into strips, crumbles, and nuggets. Many meaty soy products use soy protein that's been heated and pressed so it forms a fibrous structure. Think of it like turning soft dough into chewy pasta. The protein gets aligned, then dried or formed into shapes that can be rehydrated and cooked. That's it for part 1. In the next video, we'll cover nutrition, shopping tips, and how to cook soy meats so they taste great. Stay tuned for part 2. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.